Find the LCM and HCF of 18 and 24. So we're going to use another way, an easier way to find it. There are other ways of calculating LCM and HCF, but this is an easier way. Now let's put it this way. 18, 24. Let me extend the line. Now, in using this method for HCF, I'm looking for HCF and LCM together. So in using this method, I will look for what to divide this and this together. Not what to divide either of them, but both of them. So 2 can divide both of them. If 2 divide 18, that will give me what? 9. If 2 divide 24, that will give me what? 12. And now I'm going to look for what will divide 9 and 12. Now what will divide only one of them? So what can divide 9 and 12? We have 3. 3 into 9 will give me 3. 3 into 12 will give me 4. Is there anything that can divide 3 and 4? Nothing. So I will stop here. So for me to find HCF, I will take this thing, these ones that divide both of them. That will give me the HCF. So the HCF will be 2 times 3. That will be what? 6. So the HCF of 18 and 24 is 6. Now, if I want to find their LCM, I will this HCF in addition to this remainder that nothing divided. So do it like L. This one is for LCM. You can see I have extended like L. 2 times 3 times 3 times 4. This one that we could not divide, that's what we're going to multiply, the last step. So we're going to do for the LCM. LCM is equal to 2 times 3 times 3 times 4. So 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. 18 times 4. 18 times 4 is equal to 72. So this is the LCM, while this is their HCF. So simple. Remember, when I'm dividing, I use number that will divide both of them, not either of them, both of them together. This one together. That is the secret. We are not going to choose, because when you come to this 9 and 12, we know that 2 can divide 12, but you cannot divide 9. I did not use 2 here because 2 can divide 12, but you cannot divide 9. I look for what can divide both of them. If you're going to use this method, you must look for what will divide both of them. So let's look at the second example. Find the LCM and HCF of 30 and 45. So as I have explained it, I bring 30 and 45 here. Now I'm going to look for what will divide 30 and 45 together. If I choose 2, 2 can divide 30, but it cannot divide 45. So I'm not going to go with 2. Now I'm going to go with 3. 3 will divide 30 and it will give me what? 10. If you divide 45, it will give 15. Now what will divide 10 and 15? If I use 2, 2 will divide 10, but it cannot divide 15. But I use 5 rather. 5 will divide both of them. 5 into 10 will give me 2. 5 into 15 will give me 3. Is there anything that can divide 2 and 3 together? No. I'm going to stop here. So my HCF will become this, while my LCM will become together with this. So for HCF is equal to 3 times 5, which is what? 15. That's 3 times 5. For LCM, this and this is equal to, LCM is equal to 3 times 5 times 2 times 3. 3 times 5, 15. 15 times 2, 30. 30 times 3 is what? 90. So our LCM is 90. You can see how simple this method is. So use it anytime you are confronted with LCM and HCF. So easy. Just make sure that whatever you're using to divide, we divide both sides. And whenever you cannot divide both, you stop dividing. That's it. Please kindly subscribe to my channel and follow me for more.